Crude oil long-term forecast for the week of January 21st, fxempire.com. Light sweet crude, as you can see, had a nice five-session rally during the previous week. But most importantly, not only had the rally, but broke over 95, which had seemed to be support and resistance several times, and broke the top of the shooting star from the previous week, all of which are very bullish signs. Because of this, we think that a run to 100 is probably likely. We can see 98, of course, offering some problems, but in the long-term big picture scheme of things, 100 seems to be the prize. So, having said this, pullbacks will be opportunities to buy in this market, as far as we can tell, and as a result, that's exactly how we're going to play it. We think 95 should offer significant support now, so it'll be interesting to see how it behaves. But we definitely think that buying pullbacks or break above the top of the week at 96 would be reason enough to go long. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that it had a pretty strong week as well as we close towards the top of this shooting star from the previous week, just under 112 and at the top of the range of the candle. Once we get above 113, we consider this broken out, and we figure we'll probably aim for 116. As far as selling is concerned, it's not really a thought at this moment in time. We need to be well below the 109 level to even consider it anyways. Having said that, it looks like 116 will more than likely be targeted, but we think that this market essentially remains in the range-bound area that it's been in over the last several months, and because of this, we don't necessarily see a breakout being imminent of this resistance area or support for that matter, but certainly a lot of sideways reaction back and forth for the rest of the year would keep us in a nice range. And that looks, quite frankly, what this chart's trying to set up with all of this choppiness.